who's ready to meal prep. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your boy, Kade. So today I want to show you how to make a meatless meal prep. So something that I highly advocate for is doing meal prep. It saves time in the future and it sets you up for success. Your goals, whether you're wanting to gain muscle, lose weight, if you're interested in that, but it's really up to you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a meatless curry. I hope you guys like the video. This is what you're gonna need. So today, for this recipe, you're gonna need 1 medium onion, and then just for the spices, garlic powder, some ginger. What I recommend is get the ginger from Gourmet Garden, black pepper, curry powder, ground cumin, and where's my salt? Where did I put it? I'm not that salty of a person, so no wonder I couldn't find it. But here's my salt. You're gonna need some salt, 1 can of coconut milk, some garbanzo beans. I like to use the canned ones because they're easy and convenient, time savers. And finally, the fake meat that I'll be using is from this awesome brand that they're called Quorn. I think that's how you say it. Quorn! And Meatless Pieces. I know they have specifically just vegan options, but not in the Meatless Pieces, because this does contain egg, but that's it. It doesn't have any like meat or anything like that. So let's get on to the preparation. And easy thing about this recipe is there's almost no like prep work. You don't even really have to stir it. I love this recipe, so you gotta check it out. I almost forgot one of the most important things you need for this recipe. A slow cooker. First, you're gonna wanna cut up your onion. I did just wash and rinse these. Now in a separate little container, I'm gonna mix my seasonings together. First, some curry. I'm doing about a tablespoon of the curry powder. Next, you're gonna wanna add about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Next, some freshly cracked pepper. Next, you're going to be adding some extra cumin. I'm going to add an additional I'm going to add an additional 2 teaspoons of cumin. After you add your cumin, you're going to want to add some salt. I'm going to add a tablespoon. Let's see, perfect. And at this point, you're gonna wanna stir it around. Open up that delicious can of coconut milk and pour it right on top. And the last thing that you're gonna wanna add is some of that ginger that I was talking about earlier. I'm just gonna add a generous squeeze and stir this around. But you wanna scoop from the bottom and make sure you're even getting all the onions to the top. Just make sure it's well combined. Is add your lid. So cook on low for 6 hours. And if you need to have it done faster, cook it on high for 4 hours. So for my personal meal prep, I actually want to add spinach because I'm all about adding extra greens, if you know what I mean. I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the end result. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and just try a bite now. So hot. Ooh, it's so hot. No. The chickpea's really good too. If you tried this recipe, please let me know. Thanks for watching.